we have to learn about our Karnataka. This lesson we started about 3 days before. Now we have to continue this lesson. Our Karnataka. This is the name of a lesson. Our Karnataka. This one we have to continue today itself. Today also. Our Karnataka. That is the name of the lesson. Our Karnataka. We have to learn this one now. Art and literature that developed in India. Art and literature that developed in the Kalburgi area during this time. Kaviraja Marga was a famous book. Kaviraja Kaviraja Marga was a famous book which was made during this particular time. Kaviraja Marga was the name of a famous book which was made during this time. It was written during the time of Rashtrakuta kings. This book, Kaviraja Marga, was made or written during the time of Rashtrakuta kings. Last day I had told you one thing, children. Rashtrakuta dynasty was an important dynasty which ruled over India or in Kalburgi area. Rashtrakuta kings ruled over for so many years. In Kalburgi area, Rashtrakuta kings ruled for a long period. Rashtrakuta kings were patrons of art. We should learn what is the meaning of the word patrons. What is the meaning of patron? That is the thing, patron. Patron means a person who is encouraging something. Patron is a person who is encouraging something or some people. That is known as patron. So, Rashtrakuta kings were encouraging which one? They were encouraging writers. Even some Rashtrakuta kings were writers too. They were also writers. That is the meaning. And they had encouraged so many writers also in the kingdom. They really encouraged so many writers in the Rashtrakuta kingdom. So, because of this encouragement, what happened? Kaviraja Marga was written. If we are reading the book Kaviraja Marga, what will be there? If we are reading the book Kaviraja Marga, we can understand what was the political, social and economic condition of which period? Economic condition of the people of Kalburgi area during the Rashtrakuta kings. Kaviraja Marga explains clearly about the names of Rashtrakuta kings. Kaviraja Marga explains about the administration of Rashtrakuta kings. So, this book is known as an important evidence to study about Rashtrakuta kings, Vikramarjuna Vidya. Vikramarjuna Vijaya. Vikramarjuna Vijaya was an important book which was written by Pampa. This book was written by Pampa. Like Kaviraja Marga, Vikramarjuna Vijaya also is an important evidence to study about the Kalburgi area of ancient period. Pamba, Ponna, Pamba, Ponna, Ranna. These boys lived in the land of Karnataka state, in Kalburgi area. These three were known as the three Ratnas or jewels of Karnataka literature, these three poets. Pamba, Ponna, Ranna. These three poets wrote about, which one? These three poets wrote about the history of Karnataka or Kalburgi area clearly. And we are very familiar with Ranna. Here in Mudol, Ranna circle is there. Ranna. These three were the important poets of Kalburgi area during this time. They wrote social poems. They really wrote those poems which were connected with the society of Kalburgi. They wrote religious poems also. They took some incidences from Mahabharata, Ramayana, etc. And about those incidents also they wrote poems. So, Pamba, Ponna, Ranna, etc. are known as the three Ratnas or three jewels of Karnataka literature. These three members lived in Kalburgi area only. That is the greatness of Kalburgi. This shows that, what is meaning? This shows that Kalburgi area was rich with writers, poets and other artists. So what I told you children, development of art and literature in Kalburgi area. In Kalburgi area, art and literature really developed. Then, Kaviraja Marga was an important book which was made during this time or written during this time. Kaviraja Marga was written during the time of Rashtrakuta kings. Then, earlier I had told you about Rashtrakuta kings. Rashtrakuta kings ruled over Kalburgi area for a very long time. They were greatest rulers which Karnataka has ever seen. These Rashtrakuta kings were very good soldiers and they were very good rulers also. And Rashtrakuta kings were patrons of art and literature. Rashtrakuta kings. What is patron? Those who are encouraging or supporting somebody are known as patrons. Rashtrakuta kings were patrons of art and literature. That means even Rashtrakuta kings are also writers. Rashtrakuta kings are also writers and they encouraged writers also. Vikramarjuna Vijaya was a famous book which was written by Pamba. Pamba, Ponna, Ranna, etc. are the three Ratnas or three jewels of Karnataka literature. These three people lived in Kalburgi area. This shows that Kalburgi area was rich in the ways of literary development. See, now we have to study about Vajana movement. Vajana. Vajana movement. Vajana movement started in Kalyana of this area. I am going here, Kalyana. Vajana movement started in Kalyana area of Kalburgi division. And what is the meaning of this one? That is because Vajana means it was poems which were written in the language of common Kannadigas. That is Vajana movement. Then Basavanna. Basavanna, Allama Prabhu, Akka Mahadevi, etc. were the important Vajanakaras. These people wrote Vajanas. Then, these Vajanas were written in the language of common Kannadiga. So, these Vajanas were written in common Kannada language. This was a period of social reformation. What is the meaning of social reformation? Inside Karnataka society, there were so many problems. Inside the Karnataka society, during the olden days, there were so many problems. So many problems were there inside the Karnataka society. So many problems were there. And so many superstitious beliefs were there inside the Karnataka society. What is the meaning of superstition? What is the meaning? Superstition. What is the meaning of that word? Moodanambike. The people of Karnataka, people of Kalburgi area were in the hands of superstitious belief. That was quite common. So, Vajana movement wrote poems in Kannada language to wipe out all the superstitious beliefs from the Karnataka society. For that purpose which was made, for that purpose Vajana movement was made. Another thing was that caste system was there. Caste system was there in the Karnataka society. And not only in Karnataka, throughout India. What was there? Throughout India. What was there? Caste system was very powerful in the land of India. What is the meaning of this one? During this time, Hindu society was divided into so many groups. It was under four castes. Four castes. During this time, Hindu society was divided into four castes. First one was Brahmins. It was believed that Brahmins Brahmins came from where? Brahmins came from the mouth of Brahma. Brahma is the name of a god. Brahmins came from the mouth of Brahma. That was opinion of Hindu people. Then Kshatriyas, what happened to them? Kshatriyas came from the shoulders of Brahma. Vaishyas came from the stomach of Brahma. Shudras came from the feet of Brahma. This was the belief. Then first one, Brahmins. It was believed that Brahmins came from the mouth of Brahma. So that what Brahmins were doing, only puja in the temples. And they worked as teachers also. Brahmins were not at all teaching ordinary people, Brahmins. Brahmins did not teach ordinary people. Brahmins began to teach only Brahmin children only. So, no physical work was done by Brahmins. Brahmins were not at all ready to do any kind of physical work. Kshatriyas, nowadays I told you people that Kshatriyas came out from the shoulders of Brahma. With our shoulders we are doing our work. So Kshatriyas were the soldiers or the ruling class. Their duty was to protect the kingdom from external and internal aggression. Vaishyas. It was believed that Vaishyas came from the stomach of Brahma. Vaishyas were the richest class in the society. They were running business. They had their own business. They had a banking business. They gave loan to the common people of India. And with interest, they began to collect the amount. Vaishyas. Shudras. What is that? Shudras came from the feet of Brahma. On the feet of we people, what is that? Dust will be there. On the feet of we people, dust will be there. They came from the feet of Brahma. That was the condition. Feet of Brahma. Then what happened? The Shudras were the servants of first three classes. They were doing all types of works for the first three classes. And inside the society, untouchability was there. Inside the Indian society, untouchability was also there. Untouchability. Then what was that? Then Brahmins, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas and Shudras, they had no proper common relationship. All the four came from Hindu religion. Brahmins were not touching Kshatriyas. Kshatriyas were not touching Vaishyas. These three classes were not touching the Shudras. Untouchability was there. Among these four castes, the life of Shudras were too miserable, very miserable. Shudras. Shudras were considered like animals, or Shudras were treated like animals. Shudras had no freedom of their own. Both physical and mental torture was there for the Shudras. Both physical and mental torture were there for the Shudras. Same was the case in Kalburgi area also, Karnataka also. So, Vajana movement was against caste system, and Vajana movement was against superstitious belief, and Vajana movement was against the practice of untouchability, which was there in the Hindu religion during those days. That was known as Vajana movement. when we are studying the reformation movement of Karnataka state, Basavanna or Basaveshwara ranks first. Basaveshwara was the greatest social reformer which Karnataka state had ever seen. Basaveshwara. Basaveshwara, Akkamahadevi, then Allama Prabhu. All these people wrote so many poems in the language of the common Kannadigas, that is in the common Kannada language. Common people began to read those things. That is Vajana. So what I told you, Vajana movement really developed and flourished in the Karnataka state. First of all, Vajana movement started in Kalburgi area, or it was in Kalburgi area that Vajana movement started and flourished. Basavanna, Allama Prabhu, Akkamahadevi, etc. were the greatest leaders of Vajana movement. Then what was Vajana movement that we have seen? Vajanas were small or simple poems which were written in simple Kannada for the common Kannadigas. Why? Because during this time, social reformation movement started in Karnataka state. What is the meaning of this one? So many problems were there inside the Karnataka state during this time. Caste system was there. Hindu society was divided into Brahmin, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas and Shudras. And untouchability was there among the four castes. The life of Shudras were very miserable. Shudras were treated like animals. Shudras had no freedom. Shudras were really treated like animals. Shudras. They lived outside the boundary of the village. And the practice of untouchability was also there in the Karnataka society. So, Vajana movement was against caste system and untouchability, which was there in the Karnataka society. And when we are studying about the social reformers of Karnataka state, Basavanna or Basaveshwara ranks first. He was a great social reformer. Basavanna, Allama Prabhu, Akkamahadevi, etc. wrote so many poems, Vajanas. So, Vajana movement first of all started in the land of, which one? Started in the land of Kalburgi area only. Dasa Sahitya developed in Raichur district. Raichur. Dasa Sahitya developed in the Raichur district of Kalburgi division. In the beginning itself, what I had told you, Raichur was also a part of Kalburgi division. In the beginning itself, I told you what I told you. Raichur was also a part of Kalburgi division. Vyasaraja was there in this area, Vyasaraja. Vyasaraja was there in this area. Then Dasa Kuta he made. Vyasaraja was a famous thinker and poet who lived in the Kalburgi area. Vyasaraja. Vyasaraja made Dasa Kuta. It was an association of poets who were writing poems. They were poets and singers at the same time. Kanagadasa was there. Kanagadasa was an important Dasa poet. Kanagadasa. About Kanagadasa, people of Karnataka should learn clearly who was Kanagadasa. We should learn clearly who was Kanagadasa. Kanagadasa was a famous social and religious reformer of Karnataka state. His most important goal was Sri Krishna. One day he came to, or one day he visited Udupi Sri Krishna temple. But the authorities of Sri Krishna temple did not allow him to do prayer before Sri Krishna. But Sri Krishna was fond of, or Sri Krishna was interested in Kanagadasa. He turned his face through another side of the kindi or window. That is known as Kanagadasa. Kanagadasa was one of the greatest social and religious reformers of Karnataka state. Kanagadasa wrote so many poems for the common people of Karnataka state. He lived in Kalburgi area. Then what happened? Kanagadasa sang so many songs by praising Sri Krishna. So, Kanagadasa was one of the greatest social and religious reformers of India. Kanagadasa was a great Dasa poet also. Purandaradasa. About Purandaradasa, I'll write one thing. Purandaradasa is known as father of Carnatic music. Some of the students of 6th class may be studying. What you are studying? You may be studying music. Different branches of music are there. Different branches of music. Carnatic music, Hindustani music, Western music. And inside Western music also there are so many subdivisions inside Western music. You can study music according to your taste and convenience and priority. You can study. Purandaradasa was a father of Carnatic music. Purandaradasa. He was a father of Carnatic music. Then Purandaradasa also wrote so many poems. which are coming under the category of Dasa Sahitya. Purandaradasa believed in Mahavishnu. He believed that he was a servant of Mahavishnu. He made so many songs, and by traveling from one side of India to another side of India, he sang songs about Mahavishnu, Purandaradasa. Then, this Dasa Sahitya was against caste system. Dasa Sahitya was against which practice? Dasa Sahitya was against caste system. Nowadays, in the land of Karnataka and the land of India, caste system was very powerful during this time. Caste system was very powerful in the land of India during this particular time. So, because of caste system, development of Indian society was not at all possible. So, Dasa Sahitya was against caste system. So, what is Dasa Sahitya? Dasa Sahitya developed in Raichur district of Karnataka state. Raichur was also a part of Kalburgi area. Vyasaraya was a famous person who made Dasa Kuta. It was a group of poets who wrote Dasa Sahitya. Kanagadasa, Purandaradasa, etc. made so many Dasa Sahitya. Kanagadasa was the greatest social reformer of Karnataka, and Purandaradasa was known as father of Carnatic music. Dasa Sahitya was against caste system and untouchability as a very big practice. Dear children, you observe this video. Read the same topic in the description. If you do have doubts, you please call me. Thank you.